Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As is shown in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin pattern and password. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forget pin pattern or password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, so don't worry at all. By the new method what I am going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely at the end of this video. Okay, further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before revealing this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery less than 30% charge, otherwise whatever data in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can use you can use your phone's charger at the using of this unlocking method. Okay, one of the most thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, this method updates every month. So if your phone not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or old videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your phone with save your all the data like application, videos and files. Okay, so as you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. As you show, my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network. So firstly I will have to close my phone's Wi-Fi network, and if your phone is also showing telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network, so you will have to close all the network. Okay, so for this you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get a lots of key on the top, you can see here. And you will also get a key that is airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate your flight mode. After activating your flight mode, your all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network will be closed, and your phone will be ready to go with the master unlocking method. Okay, now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed. Now one more thing you will have to do with your phone, it means you will have to close all the background running application. Where your phone was not logged, it may be possible some background running application will be running in your phone's background, so it should be closed firstly. So generally it is not possible when your phone is locked. Generally it is not possible to close all the running application. So for this our service center generates some secret codes. After 2 or 3 days it updates. Okay, so by this secret code you can close all your background running application, because without closing all the running application it's not possible to unlock your phone by this method. Okay, so simply you will have to go with the emergency call option. You can see here there is an option of an emergency call option. You will have to click on this emergency call option, and when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. You can see here. Now I am going to give you this secret code, and today's recent secret code is *555, then *00, then *963, then hash. After dialing this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code first time, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and again you will have to do the same process 3 times continuously like this. And after doing this process 3 times, you will have to clear your dialing pad like this. Now I am going to give you a secret code by which you will reach to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, and this secret code is *899 then hash. After entering hash, you can see here my phone's engineer's mode or master unlocking mode has been activated on my phone's display. You can see here, and there are also lots of options here. You can see here from top to bottom, but don't go with any option, because all the options have the specific function. Like you can modify your phone as your use. Okay, you can modify your phone as a gaming phone or your designing phone. So don't go with any other option. In this video I will only give you the method to unlock your phone. So in this option you will have to go with the option software version. You can see here at the 5th position software version is showing here. So you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a new page like this, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. The first option is showing here your phone's model option, so you don't have to go with this option, ignore this option. You can see here there is an option of a Android version, and my Android version is showing here Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13 or 11. So if your phone Android version is showing here 13, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 13 times rapidly like this. What I'm going to do here, you can see like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I have clicked on these options 12 times because my Android version is showing here Android version 12. Okay, now after this process you will have to simply go with the back button like this, and when you will go with the back button you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option at the above of software version. You can see here that option is manual test. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option. It means you will have to go with the manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option you will reach to a new page. You can see here the new page name is assembly test projects, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. You can see here, but don't go with any option on this page. Now you will have to simply slide your phone right side like this, and until you reach to the other option you will have to continuously sliding your phone right side. Now you can see at the end of the page the other option has been appeared on my phone's display. Now there are also a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the first option is screen backlight test, the second option is read write important lock test, and you can see at the 4th number the option is database version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, so don't worry about this. Both have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. You will have to simply click on this database version or mainboard version 12 times rapidly like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now the second process has been done, my friend. Now the very most step what I am going to give you, that is read write important lock test. Okay, so you will have to be careful about this step. You will have to simply click on this step, this option, and when you will click on this option you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. Simply you will have to cancel it by the cancel button. Again you will have to do the same process at the second time, and again at the third time you will have to cancel this option. But when you will click on this option at the 4th time, you will have to simply confirm this option with the OK button, and when you will click on OK button, your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are reconstruction mode. It means sorry, it means now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password. Okay, now the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, and if you are skipped any step it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. So be proper and be careful about the for the every step. Okay, now you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of device debugging. You can see device debugging page has been appeared in my phone. You can see here. And now you can see, my friend, there are also lots of options on this page. You can see the first option is check small board match mainboard option, the second is fingerprint test, the third option is keypad test. So don't go with any option on this page. You can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. You can see here. So now you will have to go with this option. When you will click on this option you will reach to a new page like this, and you will get a 2 option on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 3 options, so don't worry about this. Whatever option you are getting on your phone, you will have to simply start these operations. You can see here all the option is showing here operation not started, so simply you will have to start all the operation whatever showing on your phone's display. So now I am going to click on both options like this. Test has been started, you can see here, and you will have to click on all those options until you get a single test pass message like this. Test is started. Again I am going to clicking on these options until I get a single test passed message. Again it's a time taking process, so you will have to be patient, keep patience and continuous click on these options. Now you can see, my friend, my first option is showing here my phone's test passed message. Okay, it means my phone has been unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply you can see here at the bottom of a phone there is an option of a home button. So simply I will have to click on this option to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to click on this option. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. As you see, there is an option of a Flipkart which has been downloaded by me before my phone was locked, as it is as in my phone. Like this Xender application is as it is as in my phone, which were downloaded by me before my phone was locked. So this trick really works. If your phone unlocked with this trick, then do the like this video. If your phone could not unlock with this trick, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your messages. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with the next secret code to unlock your phone. Thank you very much.